Hey guys, so today I'll be having a vlog. So this is our first vlog, and yeah, so welcome to my channel called Sarah is Just Vlogging. And yep, so I have a vlog now because we are just like selling my plushies and charms here outside of our house, which is if you could see, yeah, it's so hot in here. It's hot in the Philippines. And yeah, so it's like that. And yep, I'm selling my plushies. If you want to, just PM me on my other channel. And this the charm and stuff. And this the deco tapes if you want. So yep. And we are just beginners in selling this. So yep. If you want to see that. Like when we are selling, we just like they're just like yeah. I can't say anything, but yeah. But we can customize it if you want. Here's the thing here. You could see. So yeah. If you want to, just comment down below, and I'll tell you my what's the price of it and stuff. And yeah, like this one, you can customize like that. This one too. Just comment down below. And yeah, this is my first vlog here in this channel, so please um comment down below. And yeah, so please subscribe in my channel Sarah Eating and this channel, which is Sarah's Just Vlogging. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Bye.